it's Jinx, and today we're playing Tram Heist Mad City by Swifty Studios, and I am a superhero, as you can see. So, I want you guys to comment down below what you guys would be in this situation, which hero you would be. Titan can fly. This girl shoots ice balls. This guy shoots lightning bolts. This girl can become invisible. This guy is kind of like Superman, but he can't fly. And he can shoot lasers from his eyes. This guy shoots fireballs. This guy is super fast, kind of like Flash. And this guy is basically a rip-off version of Green Arrow. Anyway, if any of you watching are in the game, I'll just say I am recording for YouTube. Say hi. Okay. Oops. I think I'm just gonna be this one. No! Okay, we're just gonna keep flying up. Very, very, very slowly. Is that a giant gun over there? Is this as high as I can go? You know what? Just gonna... I am just gonna reset my character. Ah, I'm dead! Oh my god, my body. Okay. I'm just gonna come back over here and like... You know what? I'm gonna be Hot Rod because he can run up walls. Why is he not? Oh. He's not fast! That is so weird. Well, I'll just be the flyer dude again. Alright, let's go. Okay. Now, I'm gonna fly to a safe location where I can spawn a car. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I just hopped out. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Why did he do that? Come on. So close. Why can't I? You know what? I don't need it. You know why? The tram is all the way over there. But where's the plane? Because who knows? Maybe I can be a super criminal. Well, there's a ship. Alright, so I made it to the tram. You know what? Next time it stops, I'm just gonna get off, because, I mean, like, holding E to open. Whoa. This is so cool. Just like, is it about to stop? Nope. Just gonna keep going. Cool. Stop? No. You know what? I'm just gonna hop out. Let the tram go on without me. What? You stop? That's so mean. Um. Now I'm gonna go to my phone. Not my menu, my phone. I'm gonna spawn camera and then gonna hop in there. Okay, I'm gonna put away my phone, because like no texting and driving. Um, okay, as soon as we get near the water. Hmm. She think I'm an asshole. She think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only 'cause I pay her. Roxanne, Roxanne. All she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne. She think I'm an, but it's alright. She think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only 'cause I pay her. Roxanne, Roxanne. Can I get a hot dog? Can I get a hot dog? There ain't even nobody in here. Can I get some chicken? How about ice cream? Please, I can get ice cream. Oh, such meanies. Okay, I'm gonna take a ride on the Ferris wheel. I think that's what it's called. Alright. Don't camp as a hero. I'm just reading what people are saying. Now, what is that? I want to go on that thing. If it's even a ride, I want to go on it. Like, if it's even a ride, I want to go on it. Like, no, it's not a ride. Why? Okay. Ow, ow. Okay. Okay. Just keep flying. Oh, there's the plane. Oh my gosh. No, let me out of the water. You know what? Okay. Gonna put away my repulsor and then hop into the driver's seat of my boat that I just spawned in and go. Just gonna go, you know? Like, just gonna go, bro. Okay, I'm gonna go to the beach. That way I can start flying again. These turns are faster than the cars turns are, so ooh, there's all these like towels and little chairs that I can't sit in. Come on, let me fly! Let me fly! Oh, no, you don't. I am coming. Yeah, where did he go? Is he on the Ferris wheel right now? Is he serious? Oh no, he's right there. Get, go. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe and click the bell to never miss another one of my videos. Peace. It's me, bro.